SnapLogic tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use SnapLogic. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on SnapLogic, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is SnapLogic, it is a cloud-based integration platform as a service that enables organizations to connect applications, data sources, and APIs across on-premises and cloud environments, in which it uses a visual, low-code interface where users build data pipelines called snaps and pipelines to automate workflows, synchronize data, and even streamline business processes without extensive coding. So now to start using this, you have an option to book a demo from here. All you need to do is simply click the book a demo button. By clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter your username, your email, and also your password. You can start logging in or click this button below to request a demo. Just simply enter your email address, your first name, last name, your company name, your job title, phone number, number of employees in your company, country, and even answer the question. Then click Get Started button to proceed. However, this kind of step may take some time since they will verify whether or not you're eligible to purchase some of their plan. But now let's proceed by knowing the platform overview of SnapLogic, in which it offers a modern integration platform designed to unify data applications and APIs across hybrid and multi-cloud environments. And also SnapLogic supports a wide range of integration use cases, including application integration, data integration, API management, and automation with capabilities for both real-time and batch processing. And the platform also incorporates AI-driven features such as intelligent pipeline, recommendation, and automation assistance. Now in terms of solutions provided by SnapLogic, it has a range of solutions designed to help organizations seamlessly connect systems, automate the workflows, and unlock the value of their data. Its solutions cover application integration, enabling businesses to link cloud and on-premise apps for smoother operations, and data integration, which supports ETL, ELT processes for analytics and data warehousing. And aside from that, in terms of the partnership by SnapLogic, it has a broad global partner ecosystem composed of consulting firms, technology providers, system integrators, and resellers that work together to deliver integration and automation solutions. Now, these kind of partners are grouped into key categories, including consulting partners, technology partners, and even embedded partners. Now, SnapLogic serves as a wide range of customers across different industries, including technology, finance, healthcare, education, and telecommunications. Now, its enterprise customers include major global organizations such as Adobe, Emirates, and many more, which use the platform to integrate applications, automate the workflows, and manage data at scale. Now, in terms of some of the resources of SnapLogic, it provides a variety of resources to help users learn, implement, and optimize its integration platform. And these resources include official documentation, which offers detailed guides on platform, components, pipeline creation, administration, security, and troubleshooting. And now that we know some of those things that offers by SnapLogic, we can now proceed to some of the feature, including the SnapLogic AI, in which it uses artificial intelligence to simplify and accelerate how users design, build, and manage integration across applications in data systems, in which it is often referred to through features like Iris AI, which is to reduce the complexity of integration by providing intelligence assistance during pipeline creation. And aside from that, in terms of the data integration that provides by SnapLogic as the core capability that allows organizations to collect, transform, and move data across multiple systems in a unified and efficient way. Using its low-code interface, user can simply design data pipelines that extract data from various sources, such as databases, cloud applications, APIs, and files, then transform the data into required format before loading into the target system like data warehouse or analytics platform. And given that, SnapLogic is important because it helps organizations to simplify and accelerate how they connect systems, manage data, and automate processes in increasingly complex IT environments. And in many businesses, data is spread across multiple applications, both cloud-based and on-premise, which can create silos and inefficiencies. And SnapLogic addresses this by providing unified integration platform, which enables seamless data flow and communication between systems, improving overall operational efficiency. And again, in order to access the SnapLogic, you can simply book a demo in here, and after that, just fill out the required information, and you need to pay for the plan in here. And overall, that is just basically how you can use SnapLogic. Thank you.